I don't know how this is broken. Doesn't get opened that often. Not often enough anyway.
What's going on?
The fridge door's broken.
Oh, yeah.
Broken.
It's broken.
That would be a bit of a situation as well. Remember that fridge with the broken door? Someone really broke it. No names. Anyway, welcome to Better Totes and Gardens.
What are we doing with all this?
Right, basically what's happened is, so after much exploring, we've discovered that this hinge onto the fridge just drills into wood. No problems, they're all loose. We could fix them. Easy as pie. But the side of the fridge is got pop rivets in it. So what we've got to do, so I've never used this, but I thought, it, I ain't going doing this for 4 hours. So we bought a little drill attachment.
Rivnut.
Rivnut. Yeah. Rivnut. Yeah. Sorry, I'm saying pop rivet. But anyway, it's Rivnut. So I want to explore how to use one of them, even though this is probably the only time I ever put a Rivnut in anything.
Yeah.
So that's kind of it.
So stick around to this for the next 15
Stick around,
minutes.
actually, you don't even stick around, like, because I'm just going to start taking, actually I should just check before I do that.
With a bit of luck at the end of this, that door will be fixed and not have all that tape on it.
Doubt it.
It's a great tape job there, mate.
Try like this. Sorry for talking much.
Well, he didn't say it.
I didn't say it. I was keeping your name out of it, mate. Honesty's the best. Honesty's the best part. Yeah. Well, I just don't want to know if I have to take this off to get this out, which I f***ing do. Damn it. Like that, like an inch. My whole life has been a inch short. Don't need longer things, mate. You just need muscles. Nah. Hey, if this was a birth of twins, it'd be a rough one because they're both coming out at the same time.
That door's not going to fly back at us, is it?
Not with my head sitting on it.
Without my hand sitting on it, mine. Kill.
Do you want to get some cardboard, mate? Tape that up just in case it goes south. And then we can just chuck the fridge back on. I guarantee you it's going to go south.
In the business, we call this foreshadowing.
So, might put the battery in.
I like that technique where you cut up towards your face and not down towards the floor.
Why? Look, if we just went through this. If you got them, it don't matter. You can cut either way.
Yeah, but what happens when you go dink and hit yourself in the face?
I've cut more rail than Abraham Lincoln.
Why is everything innuendo with you today, mate?
Hey?
Everything's innuendo.
No, I've just cut more rail than Abraham Lincoln. That's all I'm saying. Right, so now, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to try and slowly, because I don't have a step drill, which I just found out thanks to Google. It's probably the best thing you need to drill out these.
Yeah, step drill's probably money in the bank.
Yeah, probably, but I don't have step drill and I'm not going back to Bunnings. I've been there. Oh, there we go, and I found that window.
Sometimes foreshadowing is relatively obvious.
Big cracking. I think you got away with it.
I think I did get away with it, but it's right on there, hey. Oh, fridge repair, hey? Didn't expect to be doing this so quick. Goodbye, my lover. That's a song that I don't know who sings.
James Blunt.
Thank you.
Bit quick on the answer there.
Yeah, grog.
Is he the one that?
Uncle Geezer inspiration?
Yeah, basically.
That's magnificent job you've done there, mate. Not that.
But I got a new tool. Yay for Shane. And
This week's new tool.
yeah.
Read the bloody instructions on the back there, they get very specific on it.
Yeah, I know. I watched a video before and I was like, oh.
Fridge had a D in it.
Yeah.
Oh, so.
I am so happy I got that on camera. I should have said no.
That'd be hilarious.
Right, Mr. Hilton, how the f do you tell which one's M5? I suppose you just use the
It screws in at the end of it.
screws in the end of it. They're probably instructions.
They might be this one.
Yeah, you want it out because it's going to pull back in on the reverse.
Should we spend devil's advocate here before we go door up, try it on something? Seems we've never used it before.
Yeah, you probably someone want to go get me a.
Don't be silly.
Don't you start out of there.
Go get me a thin bit of metal, Jotho.
Alrighty. While holding the drill attachment body clockwise in one hand, select the forward direction of the drill. Pull the drill trigger. You gotta hold him.
Goes the test. Now you gotta hold the blue bit.
Go forward. Yep.
There you go. Where'd it go? It's pulled back into the thing. This is why we do the test. Oh no, you know why? I've just spotted why. You forgot to put the attachment on here. Attachment on.
Oh, and that would be it. Someone that wears glasses, gosh, you got good eyesight.
Did he screw that onto there, or did he just put it in here and that screws itself into it?
She broke. I hit it with the end of the drill. It was nice. I'll just get it replaced.
Oh, is that alright to get it?
Hey?
That's not too much of a drama to replace that, is it?
Oh, it's just expensive.
Oh, interesting. Like a bit reg out there. Then you got
Big tank as well.
Alright. It's looking a bit more successful.
yeah,
Is it?
pretty good to be honest.
A lot less successful now. Crack one of the mirrors.
Yeah, you want to give us an update on that?
Hey?
You want to give us an update on that?
Oh no, I didn't know you did that. But okay.
Nutserts installed.
Give you that apple, careful. Cut your knuckles.
Hey?
You cut your knuckles.
Long way to get that done.
You cut them just across the thing, you see?
This is what I said about the angle grinder.
That'd be way worse.
And it wasn't his hands, it was his face.
Alright, stand up.
Oh mate, you cracked it.
You're doing everything wrong.
Kidding.
Come just down this lip here.
down when it's closed.
Yeah. Like this.
No. It sits on, they sit on each other.
That is.
Yeah, just like that.
Oh, there, Jonathan.
Yeah, Shane goes and gets coffee.
Very nice, Greg.
Just to feel a burn, mate.
Yeah. That'd be good for me. Bit of upper body strength.
I am going to go get a coffee. No, I'm just going to get the impact right away.
Oh, yeah, impact driving. This is just going to go. I can't make these jokes because I'll edit them in and then you'll watch it. You'll be all pissed off at me.
Exactly. At least it's for our own memories. It has a hard drive of actual bloopers.
I think she's going to hold. Stuff about that window. Idiot. Well, that's much tighter.
Yeah, she's going to do the work.
You got a lot more grab. Of course you have to break the chain.
Murphy's Law, isn't it?
I said at the start I was going to break the glass.
Yeah. But, I mean...
But
So there's going to be some great jokes in this episode. I know you're probably not happy to hear it at the moment, but think of the content, Shane.
think of the content.
Excellent.
Quality
Yeah.
content.
That moment where you're just like, let's go for it.
What's that?
We're just practicing. Practice doesn't work.
Let's go for it. Broken glass.
Well, and you know what the problem was? Mr. Turn the drill down. Mr. Turn the drill down.
Yeah.
Turn the drill up.
Clutching
I
out
was
to the
sitting
other.
there going in my head going, hold on. Well, it'd have to be on pretty high to get the clutch was slipping.
Slow.
No, that's why the clutch was slipping.
Yeah.
Oh, you just squeeze the trigger. You're a bit trigger happy.
Yep.
Okay.
Once-
Trigger happy.
No, other way around.
Yes.
It's better than nothing.
Better than it was before.
Oh, do you want to at least give us an update? And
I broke the window, guys.
yeah, I know.
Well, yeah, technically I kind of.
I've been standing with you the whole time. I know that.
Technically,
No one watching this knows that.
The tea towel delivery person who was delivering tea towels at the time when he broke the glass
He knows it.
is well aware.
Yeah, well.
Oh,
Swearing.
Quick last chance food review.
You're gonna hate it.
This is Jotho's chip sauce.
oh, imagine.
Sauce.
It's Kewpies and barbecue sauce.
What is wrong with you?
I didn't have a
No, I'm joking. That actually sounds pretty good.
It surprisingly doesn't taste as good as it smells. It's okay.
What do you reckon?
I reckon it tastes like tote carpet.
Yeah, or it's wrapped in vinegar or sauce or something.
What Shane's trying to say is this is the end of the episode. While the fridge door does open and close. We also f***ed it a bit.
Right. I hit it with a drill piece.
What did we learn about Russian?
We didn't hear about Russian, we heard about cracking the shits. But yeah, that's it. That's Better Totes, not Better Totes and Gardens. Broken glass. Oh. But anyway, that's all.
Well, I mean, you've opened us up to the opportunity to have another episode.
That's it.
because,
Like I'm just creating
content.
quality content.
Ding.
Quality content.
Oh, well.
Our quality, it's quality content. Yes.
What are they going to
If
do?
we had got this on camera, it would have been quality content because I actually legitimately had the shits. And then just went bang.
We got you with the shit, mate. Don't worry about
Hey?
that. We got you with the shit.
I've still got.
Oh well, what do they have to do? Like and subscribe.
I don't have to. I wouldn't like it. I dislike this one.
Don't tell them that.
Does that not help with the algorithm?
Do you want to do it? Because he's not going to.
What?
Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe, thumbs up all around, no
Comment,
thumbs down,
leave a
comment.
comment.
Yeah.
I don't
Tell me
care
an
about
asshole.
your opinion.